Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to generate a migration file in the TypeORM with the Node.js and the TypeScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically, why we are using the migrations. So basically sometimes we have already defined the entities, right? So in that scenario, I want to rename a column, add a new column or change the column type. In that scenario, I need the migration file. Okay, so we are going to learn in this series like how we can generate a new migration file, how to run that migration file, how to add a new column type, how to rename that column. Okay, so we are going to learn in this one. So first, how to generate a migration file in the TypeORM with Node.js and the TypeScript. Let's get started. So first of all, here we have to, so let's add any new column to that one. That is, add new column to users table. Okay, already users entity we have already, right? If I go and just check my pgadmin. Okay, so here we have the database, right? So in this I'm going to, already we have a user table, right? So here I want to add a new column, rename column with this. Okay, so first create the migration with this command npx typeorm migration create source and all of this, the name of that table. Let's hit enter, and here you can see that it will generate it. If I go and check over here in the source directory, we have now migrations, and this is my migrations one, up and the down. Now in the next video we are going to write or alter, modify the table with the help of this file. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.